Hey, welcome back to What I Tasted. Today I'm going to be showing you how to elevate your pancake game and make it fit that Halloween season. So let's go ahead and get started. Step one, super simple. Go ahead and prepare some strawberries. So I'm just going to cut off the end of the strawberries. And then I'm just going to cut the strawberries a little bit smaller so that way they break down easier and faster. You know, basically something like so. So next, I'm just gonna loosen the juice of a lemon and then cut this in half. Okay, I'm gonna add the strawberries right into the skillet. I'm gonna add about 1/4 cup of sugar, and I'm going to squeeze in some fresh lemon and some vanilla extract. And now I'm just going to let this cook. The strawberries will break apart and we'll make this into a syrup, a strawberry syrup. Okay, and so really, you just bring that to a boil, drop it down to a simmer, and it's going to really start letting the juices out of the strawberries. And then I'm going to be running this over a colander to get it nice and smooth. Okay, so that is the strawberry syrup that's going to go on the pancakes. Now I'm just going to make some pancakes itself. I'm just going to be using an already prepared mix and then cooking that on the stovetop. So here's some mix. Throw in some flax, some oil, and now to mix it up. Okay, now to cook off some pancakes. Now that this is bubbling, I can go ahead and flip the pancake. So there's our pancakes. Now just take a knife. Stick a knife in the pancakes and then take some of the syrup . So there you go. Just made some pancakes, and I made a super simple strawberry syrup to put right on top of those pancakes so you can have a little bit of fun this Halloween season and add that little flair to start your day, or hey, you know what, to even have breakfast for dinner. So, you know what? Let's try it out. Crisp, crunchy pancakes on the outside from that crust, cooking on that cast iron. Soft and fluffy on the inside, with a beautifully tangy, sweet strawberry syrup. It's fantastic. This is a great way to start your day or end your day. Either way, I'm down with it. So, make sure you check out some more 31 Days of Halloween, because I'm your friend with food benefits. And I'll see you again real soon.